Hello, my name is William Mathias, and I'm a senior studying at the University of Michigan in the Computer Science and Engineering program. Today I'll be teaching you how to animate characters using Mixamo, a web service provided by Adobe, which makes it easy to apply skeletal riggings and motion capture animations to your character meshes. This video will be good for you if you're a professional or a hobbyist, game developer, animator, visual effects artist, or any sort of related creator. In this video, we'll discuss all of the following. First, how to upload character meshes, then how to create a skeletal rigging for your mesh, then how to apply animations to it, how to customize the animations, and finally, how to export some animations to your projects. First thing you'll want to do is navigate to Mixamo's website, mixamo.com. If this is your first time using Mixamo, you'll be prompted to create a free account. Note that creating the account and downloading any assets off of Mixamo is 100% free. Once you've created your account or logged in, you'll see Mixamo's main dashboard. Here, you'll find many different options, including a large assortment of animations here on the left side of the screen. Um, Here in this space on the right side of the screen, you'll see your character mesh once you've uploaded it. And here in the right corner, you'll see options to download any animations you create or upload your character mesh. If you don't want to go through the trouble of creating or finding your own character meshes, Mixamo provides an existing database of their own pre-made and pre-rigged meshes. To find these, go to the top of the main dashboard and select Characters. You can then scroll down and look at all of the different pre-made character meshes that they have and find one that suits the purposes of your project. You can also use the search bar up here if you have something specifically that you want to find. Upload your own character mesh. Go to the main dashboard and select the Upload Character button. In Mixamo, you can upload FBX and OBJ character mesh files. You can also upload a character mesh with all of its textures added by zipping them into a folder, but we won't worry about that today. Okay, this upload process can take a bit of time, so just be patient. Once you've successfully uploaded your character mesh, you need to correctly orient it so that it faces outward from the screen in an upright T-pose position. Like I have my character right here. If your character is in this position, you can select these buttons here to rotate it until you can get it in to the correct position like this. Now we create a skeletal rigging for our mesh. To create a skeletal rigging, you need to place several skeletal markers onto your mesh. You must place the markers indicating the position of the chin, the wrists, the elbows, the knees, and the groin. So I'll show you an example of doing that real quick. We'll put the chin right up here, the wrist right over here. Elbows right over here. And knees right here. And then the groin right here. Uh, and then after doing that, you can select your skeleton's mesh LOD. So basically what that means is how detailed you want your skeleton to be. Uh, so you see here, if your character doesn't, if you don't want detailed hand motions for your character, you can select a lower LOD. So like here for uh, this one, you only have 3 fingers. For this one, you only get 2 fingers. And for the simplest one, you don't get any fingers at all. You just have a whole hand. But if you want complicated hand motions, then you'd probably want to do the highest LOD here. You've correctly placed your skeletal markers and selected your LOD. We can now run Mixamo's auto rigging algorithm. This algorithm will automatically create a skeletal rigging based on your character's mesh and your inputted skeletal markers. The algorithm can take a while to run, so please be patient. Once Mixamo has created a skeletal rigging, it will show you an example animation of your mesh. If there seems to be any issues with the animation, you can always go back and replace the skeletal markings until you get your desired result. On the left side hand side here, we can select this Enable Skeleton View button, and it will show you the skeletal rigging that Mixamo has created. Now that you've successfully uploaded your character mesh, you'll be able to see your mesh in the main dashboard, along with a wide selection of pre-made animations. You can use the search bar up here to find the animation that is most appropriate for your project. For right now, I'm just going to look for a jump animation. And I'll select this one right here. And you can see the animation being applied to your character mesh. I like that one. Not satisfied with the exact look of your animation, you can adjust some of the parameters of the animation to customize it. For example, in this jumping animation, we can change this overdrive variable here so that the animation will run faster or slower. And then we can also change the amount of arm spacing that the character mesh has. If you don't like any of the frames that are included in the animation, you can trim them off. Like that. Once you're satisfied with your animation, you can press the download button in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard. Here you can select the file format of the exported animation, whether or not you want to include the skin mesh as part of the output file or not. You can change the frame rate of the animation and the keyframe reduction. And once you've selected all your desired parameters, you can hit download. That Mixamo can only hold one of your character meshes at a time. So it's best to find all the animations that you want for one character before moving on to a different character. Uh, yeah. To conclude this tutorial, I just wanted to show you an example of me using this animation in my own project. Uh, right here, I just have a simple Unity game opened up, but you can use these animation files in many different types of projects. Uh, and in conclusion, I just wanted to thank you all for watching. Um, and please email me at wmathias@umich.edu if you have any questions about how to use Mixamo. And good luck with all of your future projects. Bye.